Ready now, guys? So number one, it's a write in the form a bracket x plus h square plus k, where a, h, and k are constant. What's the first step? I use black. Black better than every other color. It's strong that's a black and one color. No one know what them. Anybody in the class here do art?
Do things in a sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anybody do art? Miss Strong say black and one color. So more know what them say one shade.
What you say, black and white shape?
Yeah, it's not a color.
So Miss Chung, never mind, sir.
Alright. Alright. So first thing, guys, what's the first step? This, by the way, this will not get on the month.
Say add like terms or something like that.
I mean, bracket off the like the X terms, right?
Bracket off.
Next step.
Bracket off is the same. You're supposed to write it out down the bottom, sir.
Yeah, but what's the next step? After we bracket off the X terms, what's next? Guys, a 1 week from this, you have a monthly test and then a company. So I don't know what's gonna happen. You want to turn this now assignment instead? That one worksheet.
You go to book notes, sir. Let's see, you go put separate them, sir. Go to put on two first, I didn't, sir.
Yeah, so factor out the two.
You factor out, sir.
Yeah, man.
Bracket
So
no.
2 for x, bracket x.
After we do that,
Square
what's
plus 24 goes 2 times plus 2
very good.
minus 9.
All right, good job. So you do part, me do part. So next step, guys, we find a half of the X term. Also, we have to square it, right? So go down to the next line. Right about the 2x. But now we have to find a half of 2 and square it. What's a half of 2?
So 1.
All right, so and then 1 square. Right? But remember, anything we put in, we have to take out, right? So we put in this 1 square. But the value of this is not just 1 square, it is 2 times 1 square, right? Because the bracket means to multiply. So we have to subtract it out to balance the equation. So that'll be 2 times 1 square. All right. I could just tidy it up now. Easy 1, 3, this one. What is 1 square?
Sir, 1.
All right, so we have plus 1. I'll just tidy it up now. All right, we square 1, we get 1, so 2 times 1, that's minus 2. And I could just tidy up this again. Yeah, the keeper there. What is minus 9 minus 2? This part here. Minus 9 minus 2.
Negative 11.
Negative 11.
Negative 11.
11, sir.
Very good, right? And then we just factorize this. How with that? So we are going to
Sir,
factorize.
I'll go back to factorization, sir.
No. Yeah, we just say we have factorized this. We're going to factorize x squared plus 1. Give me two numbers. When I multiply them, it gives you 1. When you add them, it gives you 2. Repeat.
Sir, 1, sir.
Very
One.
good. So that just be x plus 1. And we square it and like that. Easy 1, 3.
Sir, one answer, sir.
Eh?
One answer, no.
Yeah, we do it, man. X plus 1. All right, next one. That was a warm up. I mean, practically do it, you know. First step. My first thing we do, guys, we have 3x squared plus 12x
Sir,
plus 10.
bracket life terms, give me.
All right, bracket the x terms then.
Because you know your factor of a factor.
Yeah, which is the 3. Any number in front of the x, you factor it out. If a 5, if a half, if a 10, anything in front of the x, because we want to get the coefficient to be 1. All right. And then we say 3 into this, leave 1. What next step?
Yeah, go divide the how much?
Divide 3 by 12, sir.
You say it wrong, you know, but me understand. 12 by 3, right?
12 by
Yeah.
3, mistakes
Yeah,
there.
no, man, me know. So 3 into 12 goes 4 times.
4x.
Yes, Miss Smith, you come alive now, thank God. All right. What next step? Remember, say you guys are gonna do it for yourself, you know.
So you're gonna look what can go into 4 and without leaving a remainder. And it's gonna be 2.
No, you find
So
a
you go
half
right
of
back.
it, right? You find a half of it. I know
Yeah.
you say.
So you
Yeah,
do it,
so
you go see out.
A 4 can go into 4, you know.
Plus 4 plus 2, sir.
Yeah. So you find
Plus
a
2
half of
times
4.
half of 4.
Why Zuma do it so bad? Me all there, you know. Yeah. But remember, guys, to balance the equation, anything we put in, we have to take out. So we put in 2 square. So we have to minus out that. But the value of this is not just 2, right? Because of 3 times 2 square. I'm going to tie it up, so. I like when it will be x squared plus 4x. What is 2 square?
Or 4.
4, right? And remember, guys, once a number is squared, it's always positive. Even if a negative 4, it's always going to give you a positive. I had a discussion with some students yesterday, and that was a problem. The calculator sometimes will interpret it as like the minus at the front, and you don't put in the minus. So you have to be careful of that. Right? So this is a 4. Should I do one step and tidy up, you know? All right, so this it'll give you 4 is at 12, right?
That's gonna be negative 2, right, sir?
Yeah.
I didn't reach what to say.
You know, we said here, you know, but that's gonna be
Yes,
work out to negative.
Yeah.
Good job, good job.
X plus 2 plus negative 2.
All right, Demon kind of factorize it already, but it's correct, right? 2 numbers, when I multiply them, I give you positive 4. When I add them, I give you 4. That's x plus 2.
X plus 2. So remember I always say we're in the bracket up top.
Yeah,
Where
this.
it
Any number
is
with this, yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So just in case, you know, remember, I don't want to go through a long process. See me write 12. It shall be negative 2 as just need to. Remember about this. I mean, I want guys, that one here, third one, you guys are gonna do that one on your own and say. I want decimal. Not no, you know. We're going down to the equation and the line and so on. 2 things supposed to compound and multiples. This gradient and so on. So we're not going to do that one. We're going to send it to you still. All right, so it's given the endpoint of a line, A is 2, 4, B is 3, 8, and it's a find A, the gradient of a line. We remember how to find the gradient of a line.
Sir, gradient is y2.
Sir, y2 minus
y1 over x2 over take away x1.
Yeah, very good. Changing
1 over x.
And then, guys, I can just simply name this one x1. Did not hard. And if I do physics, you're going to do this now physics too. And if you not do physics.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then, so y2 will be 8.
You can't do this. I'm so close.
Come on, somebody up on Netflix, man. Guys, that not healthy, you know, for learning, you know. So that'll be 8 minus 4. And that'll be 3 minus 2. So 8 minus 4, that's what I give over 4.
So it's gonna be 4 over 1.
Yeah. We can just say
Which is
gradient
also
of 4.
equal to 4.
Exactly. All right. Length of the line now, because I have to know the difference between the gradient and the length of the line. The gradient is basically the slope, how slant the line is. And when you guys start the UTech and them place, you will be doing graphs. No matter which course you're doing, all right? You're going to look back on them here, so ensure so you get it. All right, the length of the line now. We can use this, you know, to get the length of the line, as I made I tell you guys, right? Because remember, the length is just basically same thing, y2 minus y1 squared. So all we have to do is square them number here. And we're going to clear. Or if you don't want to do it the long way, you know, because I know sometimes you guys want to do it the long way. So that'll be 4 square plus 1 square. Because you already work out what is y2 minus y1. You see what I say, guys? In exam, you want to be efficient. You don't want to do about the same thing. When you already calculate this, I know said this minus this or this. Right? So who have calculator? Somebody punch out and calculator for me, please. Square root of 17.
Sir, 4.1, you did me.
4.1. Thanks. And remember, guys, just put the word units on it. Unless they give you a particular unit like centimeter and so. But whatever it is, a units. The answer are units. So whatever unit it may be. All right. So we look on the length of the line and the gradient. So we look on something now. The coordinate of the midpoint. How do we find midpoint?
X1 plus X2
Thank
and
you.
over 2 plus Y1 plus Y2 over 2.
Very good. So we divide by 2. So guys, one way to look at it is just halfway between the 2 points. So we are find halfway between the X point and halfway between the Y point. That's it. And remember, if you're in exam, you can measure. If they give you the line, you can actually measure the line, right? And find half of the line. And the coordinate where you get, I hit that. Yeah, man, go ahead, Damian.
So on the first one they give workout, you call that like why topic down the first one they give workout.
Oh, completing the square. Yeah. So y1, we already did it. This is x1, this is x2. This is y2, right? So x1 is gonna be 2 plus 3. Guys, remember, you know, these are not on the formula sheet. So you have to know them. And then that will be 4 plus 8.
So it's gonna be
Sean, your internet bad, you know?
so I know say, but me that tell you the answer. You don't go.
4 plus, you give me final answer. All right, give me final
No,
answer.
no, sorry, do your maths, man.
No, our maths. You guys are do exam, you know. So we can use, it'll be 2.5, right? Or if you want, use 2.5. Why next one?
So 6.
Thanks. I remember it's a coordinate, right? So this is a form on the line. So it's, for example, say the line this here, so the midpoint, it'll probably be something like this.
In the center, right, sir?
Yeah, right in at the center. Very good. So as I'm gonna say, if you get the exam, you can actually measure the line and see where it actually do it. But you guys know the
Bring up.
formula. Yeah, so we don't have to stress about nothing. Good job. All right, last one now. The equation of the line AB. Who can do this? Saturday class peeps. What wanna say?
Sir, we're there, sir. You gotta find the gradient first.
Yeah, so we find the gradient first, right? We defined it earlier to be 4/1. Remember? Yeah.
Yes,
The
sir.
gradient, yeah. I
Four.
see him. Yeah, so this is 4. What next? No.
Sir, you gotta say y equal mx plus c.
Very good. So these are the how would that not student background, so right? And then now guys, we know the gradient, so we can put it in, right? So a gradient of 4, so we can say
Yes, sir.
4x plus
And you gotta
c.
use one out of the two, A or B.
Very good.
From
So
one is
use
2
one
and
out of
4.
2. Which one you want to use?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. So guys, we are going to use 2 and 4, right? We are going to find, we are going to plug in this. So these are the x and these are the y. Remember, say it read x, y. So we just going to plug it in the equation. So y are 4, so we are going to plug in x. Because we are find c, which is the y-intercept. Just for the persons who don't get it fully. Because these are the last thing we do, right? But to me, also them people that got extra class and share it down. That's what I'm called upon them. Yeah. So y are 4, so we put in 4. X are 2. So we just have substitute now. All right, and then we can what bracket mean?
Multiply.
Multiply. Yeah, so 4 2s 8. We got the rooster. We there, man. We there, maths rooster. Every maths class, the rooster they crane up. Big up, man. All right, see there. Big
You
up
wanna
rooster,
learn,
man.
you wanna learn.
Yeah,
Sir, now
yeah.
we're first.
And the brightest rooster that in Jamaica. Remember me told you.
Maths class now, wait.
So we're going to inverse the 8.
Yeah.
So we're going to say 4 minus 8 plus,
Yeah,
no,
very good.
equals,
So
but
minus
it
8.
equal to
Very good.
negative 4. So C equal negative 4.
Yeah. So
And
these
you
are the
go for-
y-intercept. Very good. So basically, guys, this actually is the y-intercept. So I could just write back the formula and plug in everything now. So it's going to be y equal mx plus c. But we know say gradient our gradient was 4, right? So we put 4x minus 4. So this will be the
Jack.
equation with the line. And
So
guys,
that's the answer.
yeah, and guys, you know, we can inspect them here, them points here, and see if it makes sense. Look at it, right? So x are 2 here, so 4 2s,
8.
yeah, minus 4.
Negative 8.
How you get that from, Mom?
No, negative 36, that's what I say. Or something like that.
Remember, you know, 4 2s 8. We now multiply this. We just a minus the we are add the 4, right?
Oh,
Remember, I said this is the equation. 4x minus 4. So x are 2, right? So we just plug it in and see if we get back the 4. So 4 2s 8 minus 4, 4, right? I could check the next one now. X are 3 here, so when we plug it in this equation, we're supposed to get 8 for the answer. You understand? This is just, we already matched it up, you know, but we have to check it, right?
yes,
So
sir.
4 times 3, because x are 3, yeah, minus 4. And see if we get 8. So this will be 12 minus 4.
Minus 4, which is equal to 8.
Exactly. So we say it right. Right? Good job, guys. So how you guys feeling? You ready for monthly test? I'm gonna do some more practice and probably do some more videos for you guys and things still before. But
Sir,
how you guys feeling? The length of the line did bother some people. We lock down that now?
yes, sir.
All right. Good job. Guys, let's go and put in the work, man. When results come out, we can laugh and talk about it. Let's go and put in one for put in. You see it?
Can't tell the author to tell me some I love food every day.
You love food,
Well,
yes?
That's
Me
not
love
when-
food too, but you love it more than we, trust me.